I know it's like a camera, so you don't really have to look at it. The idea is to like act natural, like it's not there. Can you say natural? No? Okay. You're really not in the mood to talk today? Or not right now, because it's early? Yeah. Do you need help with your raisins? Is that why you're not eating them? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
You don't need help?
Oh, no.
You don't know?
Oh, no.
Oh no, what happened? You dropped them? Want to talk about it? Oh. Oh really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I got.
That is a gas station. Do you want help with your raisins? Alright. You're welcome, baby. That was my offer.
Apple?
Offer.
Apple?
Offer.
No.
Offer is like when you try to help somebody.
Apple?
You offer to help them.
No.
Yeah. Would you like to offer to help me?
Okay.
That's an opportunity for you to help me. Would you like to help me?
I see.
Oh, my glasses. I'm just cleaning my glasses.
I see.
Yeah, cleaning my glasses. I want safe driving. Yep. Safety's first. Right?
Science.
Glasses on. Check.
Science.
Check.
Science.
Yep, got my glasses. Safety's on. Safety. Check.
Science.
Clean. Check.
Science.
Yeah, those are, yeah. I wear glasses, you don't. But if you keep doing that, you might have to make an appointment. So you want to stay out of there. Go ahead, get out of the, yeah, go ahead, get out of there. Hey, Rain, when you want to say glasses, hold your fingers like this and put it over your eyes. Glasses.
Yeah.
You don't want to do that?
Yeah.
Yes, you do, or no, you don't? Huh? Okay. It's your turn. You're supposed to do it after me. You ready? Ha 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 ha. Go. 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 Yes. Yes. Woo. Woo. Your turn. Your turn. That was pretty good. Huh? That burns? Where does it burn? A bird?
Yeah.
It kind of sounds like a bird. A bird? Oh. Okay. All right, one more time. Yes. Hey, Rain, that's your dad's favorite sound to make. Not the yes, but the bird sound. That burns, right? You said it burns? It's kind of interesting. That's cool. So, Rain, do you forgive me? Rain? 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 Do you forgive me? Rain. 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 Do you forgive me? Is that a yes? Is that a yes, Daddy? Oh, you still tired? You still tired, baby? Okay. Well. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Hey. Ba 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 ba. Hey. Ba 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 ba. Hey. Ba 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 ba. Hey. Ba 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 ba. Hey. Ba. Hey. 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 Ooh. 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 Get it, Rain. Get it. Get it, Rain. Get it. Ooh. Get it, Rain. Get it. Get it, Rain. Get it. Ooh. And the beat changed about 3 times, so you didn't catch not one of them. Whoa! Huh? Stop for what? Alligator. You want an alligator?
Yeah.
You want an alligator? Okay, me neither. You want a dog?
No.
What do you want? You want mommy. Well, she doesn't fit within the pet classification. However, you can still want her. That's understandable. What sound does a snake make? Whoa, that is not true. Snake sounds like this. No, baby, I said a snake. Snake sounds like this. What sound does a cow make? There you go. Moo! What sound does a cow make? What? No, I said a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo! What sound does a sheep make? A sheep. Nah. 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 No, it's not mommy. That's a parking garage. Yeah, parking garage.
Okay.
What sound does a sheep make? Nah. Nah. What sound does a sheep make? Nah. Ooh, that was a good one. Bye again.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.